Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more again. We're doing another update with Tesla and let you know what is going on with Tesla right now. So we spoke about this in the last video over in this area here. What was moving up, it came down here, moved on up. And right now it came back down. And y'all remember me making this resistance level. It came back down to that level, hit that level, and shot back off and back into its bias. That's upside bias, which is bullish. Shot past the resistance level here. It resisted a little bit. It came back down here, and it came back in resistance, and it opened up a higher the next day, and moved and hit this resistance level, and fell back down. So I'm expecting to fall back down, back into this area right here, and then eventually moving back to the upside. Remember, this thing is going to go back to take out this high here. So just remember that. But right now, structure and volatility did kick in. Bitcoin move, Coinbase open up. So we just, a lot of things matter with this movement. The volatility did kick in. So Alex Jenkins, check it out, y'all.